Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Lady Cee Cee's world, where we journey together through faith, healing, identity restoration, and authentic living. I'm Lady Cee Cee, and I'm so grateful you've chosen to spend this time with me. Today's episode is called, listen up, y'all, The Power of Starting Over. The Power of Starting Over. Now, if you've ever felt like you've missed your opportunity, if you've ever looked at your life and wondered whether it's too late, if you've ever believed that your mistakes, disappointments, or detours have disqualified you from living the life God intended, then this is the conversation for you. Because one of the greatest lies we can believe is that once we've fallen, failed, or taken the wrong path, our story is over. But beautiful souls, as long as God is still breathing life into you, your story is still being written. Every sunrise is evidence that new beginnings are possible. And today, we're going to discover the power that comes from starting again. Now, most people don't fear failure as much as they fear beginning again. Starting over requires courage. It requires hope. There has been seasons in my own life when I had to begin again. Not because I wanted to, but simply because life changed. Doors closed. Relationships ended. Dreams shifted. Plans didn't unfold the way I expected. At first, I saw those moments as endings. But looking back, I realized they were invitations. They were invitations for me to grow. Invitations for me to trust God more deeply. Invitations to become someone stronger than I had been before. And sometimes we hold on to what no longer fits because we're simply afraid of what comes next. I've been there, I've done that, could write a book about it. But see, God often does his greatest work in the space between what was and what will be. One of my favorite reminders in scripture comes from Isaiah 43:19, which says, "See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it?" You see, God is always in the business of restoration. Now, throughout the Bible, we see stories of people who started over and over and over. Noah started over after the flood. Moses started over after fleeing Egypt. Ruth started over after unimaginable loss. Peter started over after denying Jesus 3 times. Paul started over after a dramatic encounter with Christ on the road to Damascus. Their past did not cancel God's purpose. Neither does yours. God is not limited by your history. He specializes in redemption. He transforms broken places into testimonies, because without a test, how can you have a testimony? He turns endings into beginnings. Now, what keeps us from starting over? Often, it's not opportunity or the opportunity that holds us back. It's fear. We ask ourselves, what if I fail again? What will people think? What if I'm too old? What if I've waited too long? What if I don't have what it takes? You see, those questions are understandable. I've asked myself those questions time and time again. But they should never become permanent barriers. I want you to remember this. You cannot move into your future while constantly living in your yesterday. Let that sit a minute. You cannot move into your future while constantly living in your yesterday. Starting over isn't pretending the past never happened. It's believing the past doesn't have the final word. Now, there are 3 truths about new beginnings. Number 1, your past is a teacher, not a life sentence. That's good. Every experience has taught you something. Every painful season has produced wisdom. Instead of asking, why did this happen? Ask, what has this season prepared me to do? You see, growth often comes disguised as disappointment. Number 2, small steps still count. Sometimes we believe starting over requires one giant leap. Most often it begins with one small decision. Making that one phone call, submitting that one application, writing that one page, having one honest conversation that you've been putting off, praying one sincere prayer. Now, don't underestimate consistent small steps. They eventually become transformed lives, and I know it all too well. Number 3, give yourself permission to begin imperfectly, and that was a hard one for me. Perfection has stopped more dreams than failure ever has. Waiting until it's perfect usually means waiting forever. I'm a witness. I've tried it. I've knocked my head up against the wall time and time again. But God doesn't ask us to be perfect. He asks us to be faithful. You don't have to know every answer before taking the first step. Because you know what? Faith grows as we move. Beautiful souls, I want you to quietly consider this question. Are you listening? Where is God inviting me to begin again? Is it your relationship with Him? Is it your health? Is it your divine purpose? Is it your career? What about your creativity? Is it your healing? Whatever comes to mind, I don't want you to dismiss it. I want you to pay close attention, because that gentle nudge may be the beginning of your next chapter. I have some reflection questions for you tonight. What area of my life needs a fresh start? What fear has been keeping me from beginning again? What lesson has my past taught me? What is one small step I can take this week? How can I trust God more fully in this new season? I want you to get your journals, piece of paper, something, your phones, and answer those questions. Again, what area of my life needs a fresh start? What fear has been keeping me from beginning again? What lesson has my past taught me? What is one small step I can take this week? How can I trust God more freely in this new season? Now, beautiful souls, your story is not over. Your mistakes do not define you. Your disappointments do not determine your destiny. Your setbacks are not permanent. Every day God gives you is another opportunity to choose hope. Another opportunity to choose faith. Another opportunity to choose healing. And another opportunity to begin again. Don't allow yesterday to rob you of tomorrow. God is not finished working in your life. The next chapter may become the one that changes everything. So walk forward with courage. Walk forward with faith. Walk forward believing that new beginnings are gifts from God. Thank you for spending this time with me on Lady Cee Cee's World. Until next time, remember, you are valuable, you are worthy, you are seen, you are loved, and you were created intentionally by God. If you need to connect with me, you can connect with me on Facebook, on Instagram, at Lady Cee Cee's World. I am Lady Cee Cee. YouTube, right here, Lady Cee Cee's World. So you got me. I am Lady Cee Cee or Lady Cee Cee's World. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you thought. Share your comments on this episode. Share it with someone else if it's encouraged you. Remember, you all, I love you, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it but love me back.